Hello everybody, welcome back to our next segment of Just Ask David. We are going to be covering this week credit repair. And yes, we do recommend that you repair your credit. It can affect your ability to be approved for a loan, and if your credit score is lower, you may end up with a much higher credit rate. So absolutely, we do recommend that you monitor your credit and repair it if necessary. We recommend you start looking into repairing your credit really 6 to 12 months ahead of time. It takes a long time. It's a long process. You may need to write letters and take care of old items on the credit report. It's not something that can be done quickly or overnight. So we do recommend starting the process as soon as possible. And if you know at some point in the future you're going to be buying a home, even years down the road, to monitor your credit every year and keep that process up. In terms of using a credit repair company, it is not recommended to do so. If the credit repair company records the information in a certain way that they've done the repairs, lenders may see that, and it may negatively affect you that you have repaired credit from a company. So it's not always recommended. Anybody can repair their credit. If you have a good loan officer, they can help you, they can guide you on what to do. So we recommend starting there. They can also probably give you some avenues, since they deal with credit all the time, on how to get your credit repaired. Thank you for the great question. Please remember that we're available to help you with buying, selling, and property management. If you have any questions, we're available anytime. And we want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thank you for all your support over the year. We'll see you again in 2022 with more videos, so please keep those questions coming. Thank you very much.